warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okey, saya sekarang dalam perjalanan untuk ke rumah anak murid saya iaitu Syekh Sazril. Okey, Syekh Sazril ni alhamdulillah dia berjaya menempatkan diri di peringkat untuk bertanding di peringkat negeri iaitu Impromptu Storytelling tahap 2. Okey, jadi macam mana impromptu storytelling ni dilaksanakan? Okey, macam ni. Impromptu storytelling dilaksanakan di rumah pelajar masing-masing, di mana link akan diberikan untuk mereka bercakap melalui GM Google Meet, melalui link yang telah diberikan. Okey, jadi Syekh Chazril ni akan diberikan satu word perkataan random, tak tahu perkataan apa yang akan diberikan. Jadi Syekh Chazril akan diberi masa selama 30 saat untuk think in his mind, untuk think out what dia nak cakap, apa yang dia nak cakap, what he is going to tell in the impromptu storytelling. Okey, jadi selesai 30 saat, Syekh Sazril ni akan start talking, akan mula bercakap dalam lingkungan masa sampai 2 minit lebih ataupun 3 minit. Okey, selepas habis time diberikan, loceng akan dibunyikan dan Syekh akan stop talking dan dia harus membuat conclusion. Okey, jadi kita akan tengok apa perkataan yang akan diberikan oleh judges pada hari ini, iaitu pada pukul 10 pagi. Sekejap lagi pertandingan impromptu storytelling akan berlangsung. Okey, good luck. Hopefully dia akan dapat perkataan yang mudah-mudah dan hopefully dia dapat bercakap dengan lancar. Okey, berdasarkan wording yang diberikan oleh judges. Okey.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Syed Shazril Arif.
Alright. Now, we're going to discuss a few things. We're going to show you a number board. I think you can see on the screen.
Yes.
Okay. When I tell you, then you pick a number that you like. I give you 30 seconds to think. When the 30 seconds is up, you will hear this. Can you hear that?
Yes.
Yes? No?
Yes, I can hear that.
Okay. After the 30 seconds, I say, okay, Sai, you can start telling us your story. And you tell us your story.
Okay.
You are given 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, you will hear the bell again.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Any questions, my dear?
No.
No, huh?
No. I don't
Okay, stand straight. You are standing sideways. Stand straight. Okay. Now, pick a number that you can see on the board.
12.
Number 12, my favorite number. Okay, can you see the word, the phrase?
Yes.
What does it say?
An unforgettable adventure.
Okay, an unforgettable adventure. Okay? Your time for thinking, the 30 seconds starts now. And your body is slanted to the side. Straighten yourself. Right. Now you look like it's your handsome face. Okay, Sai. Give you 3 minutes from now to talk on the given phrase. Okay? Okay, start now.
Hey, and a very good morning to the honorable judges. I am Syed Shazril. Have you ever heard of the story, The King and the Physician? Well, the story goes like this. Long time ago, there was a very wise physician that could cure any disease in the world. His name was Ali. One day, there was a king that had a very severe skin disease that no doctors could cure. Ali was interested in helping the king, so he volunteered himself. He went on an unforgettable adventure deep in the forest and find many mythical animals like a unicorn, or a dragon. And a dragon. He went back to the castle and made a lovely tea with the resource that he collected. He told the king to drink the tea once a day. The king did accordingly as he was told. Within 1 week, the king was fully cured. The king wanted to express his gratitude by showering Ali with gifts and honors. However, the king's right-hand man, the Grand Vizier, grew extremely jealous of Ali. So he convinced the king that Ali was evil and actually trying to kill the king. The king was convinced, so the king executed Ali. Before Ali was executed, he brought a big old book and handed it to the king. He told the king to read out the first word on the first page. As the king opened the book, venom from the page of the book started to work within his body. He fell on the floor, screaming in pain. After an hour, the king died. However, Ali magically disappeared and never seen again. Thank you very much.
Very interesting adventure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Sai. Bye.
Boleh, hai. Okey, tadi wording yang anak murid saya dapat ialah perkataan unforgettable adventure. Okey, bagi saya wording tersebut memang sesuai dengan apa yang kita telah praktis sebelum ni, sebab dan saya tengok Syed pun agak confident bila menceritakan tentang wording unforgettable adventure. Okey, alang-alang saya sampai di kawasan ini. Okey, saya nak jamu sikitlah suasana kediaman Eco World. Okey. Cantik bukan suasana di kediaman di Eco World? Sebenarnya di sini kawasan perumahan Eco World sudah agak lama jugalah dibangunkan, dan sekarang ni kita lihat sudah semakin banyak rumah-rumah yang berkonsepkan ala Inggeris telah dibina di kawasan tersini. Okey, sekian dulu daripada saya. Semoga insya-Allah, semoga doakanlah semoga anak murid saya Syed Sazril berjaya menempatkan diri ke peringkat negeri. InsyaAllah. Bye.